Yo, shut up! Bruh, stop talking about these pizzas and this, new Nintendo Switch. Stop talking about that. Bruh! You're my teammate. We're supposed to play Fortnite. Oh, now you're saying you looking like a stupid bear. How much mean you got in your mind? You know what? Stupid. Let me jump out. Here we go. Hey, new Freddy. What? Can I have Cheetos? Cheetos? What? Do you think I'm holding Cheetos? No, I'm playing Fortnite. Don't make me get killed. Shut up. Ow. Just playing my Fortnite. Me make like rap music. Shane. Okay, I don't know how to rap. They got two people riding bikes. We just go to the store anyway. Maybe I got many words of practice. Jane. I can't even rap. We'll just go back. Jesus! But luckily, I didn't get injured by that. Oh, actually, I did not even feel a day in there. Ow! 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 Oh my God! Ow! Somebody help me! Ow! Man, I'm stuck inside this car! Ow! God. Wait, are you Mickey? Yeah, from earlier? Oh, from that mystery bag video we did last night. Last morning. But are you stuck? Yes, just help me. Okay. Oh my God, now you're knocking down the car. Sorry. Man, are you okay? Ow. But, yeah, I'm okay. But, my car is not busted. What? Oh, no way! Oh, dang it! I busted the engine! What? There's a good thing I did not feel a day in that over. But let's go back inside this house and how do I push this car all the way in? Okay. Oh, finally got the car inside the house. Yeah. Yeah, even I trying to sing like a rap song. But luckily there's only a few scratches on the car from the rover. Yeah, Shell's pretty good knows the damage. I want some more chips of holy cereal. I'm gonna open. Here we go.
Woody, were you eating this right the whole time?
Yeah. Man, my stomach is hurting. Well, you shouldn't have eaten these. Because you were pushing that car. It actually came to your house. And Mickey was actually hurt. So, yeah. Oh, and also he rolled over. And somehow he haven't fully in there. Oh, talking about SpaghettiOs. I love SpaghettiOs. Oh man, I feel good. Oh my god, man, that was disgusting and also sick. Oh my god, ew, man, that was disgusting. Is that Dr. Peeps? Stay open. Yeah. Oh, man, that tasted so good. Oh my god, man. But I just want a new car. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. I love Dr. Pepper. Oh. A new car? Oh my god, I can still smell the smell. Oh, man, that Woody's fart. But he just... How did I not see that? What? Shadow, what? Do you destroy Woody's car up more? Yup. Well, that's mean. Let me just fix this. Well, that's the only thing I can fix this disaster Woody's car. So replace that, busted up engine car. Mickey, your new car is right here. Oh, what in the God's name is that car? And why does it have tape on it? Because it's broken. Maybe drive it. Oh, wait! Why does it keep falling? Ouch. Ow. Okay, so let me test drive this thing. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? I got this. Where this is? What was that? What was that? What was that? What was that? I was trying to eat my cereal. What was that? You know what, Mickey? I don't get something. But you just put like a cam too. So, I'm gonna give you something cool, Bunny. Say cheese. You miss. Noob! Hey, you know what? Ow! Ow! Ow my face. Ow my face. Oh my god. Well, just enjoy your new car. Well, at least you can have that. Hold on. Oh, drives. So we can have this car, okay? This car? It was like a sweet. Wow, let me drive this. Jesus, man, that scared me. Oh, I also put my pants. I feel that.
You poop your pants, Mickey? Man, is your name Mickey, by the way?
Yeah.
Oh, so you driving this car? So drive.
Okay.
Ow! 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 Do it! I hate you, Mickey. Ow! Hey! You say sorry! Okay, I'm sorry.
Properly.
I'm sorry. Handshake.
Well, party accepted.
Well,
That's what is the field title called? Oh, Mickey's new car. So yeah, so bye. Oh, and also be careful at crashing, okay? So bye.